Good morning. Today is day 5 of reopening the pool, cleaning it. Yesterday there was nothing big to report, so I didn't do anything. Trying to open this up. Well, it's doing its job. But look at the difference. I took the filter out and I cleaned it. I took took a water sample to 30 Red Pools, and they said to put in some water clarifier, I believe it is called, and I did. And they told me just to let it run, and it's looking good. If it keeps up like this, we should have it ready for Father's Day. Well, today we're gonna try it. Not today, tomorrow we're gonna try to get rid of some of those. Keep you updated. Guys, be good, be safe, and it is a little expensive, but I will put once it gets clear, I will put in the comments and the description all the chemicals I did use and where I got them at, right? So you guys be good and God bless.